The Zeekr 7GT is proving that Chinese automakers are no longer chasing the competition. Instead, they are becoming the benchmark in areas that matter most to buyers, including safety. The latest Euro NCAP crash test results show just how far the brand has come, with the Zeekr 7GT earning a 5-star safety rating under the organization's brand new 2026 testing protocol. Receiving the highest possible rating is already a significant achievement, but what makes the result even more impressive is that the Zeekr 7GT outperformed one of its strongest rivals in several important categories. This demonstrates that the company has invested heavily in advanced engineering, occupant protection, and intelligent safety technology rather than focusing only on performance or luxury features. One of the biggest additions to the new Euro NCAP testing program is the safe driving category. This section evaluates how well a vehicle helps drivers stay alert while reducing distractions inside the cabin. The Zeekr 7GT earned an impressive 79% score thanks to its ability to monitor proper seatbelt use, recognize whether passengers are seated correctly, and provide a wide range of intelligent driver support systems. Although the vehicle relies heavily on its touchscreen interface, which prevented an even higher score, it still delivered one of the strongest performances in this new category. The Zeekr 7GT also excelled in crash avoidance, earning an outstanding 89%. Euro NCAP praised the vehicle's ability to prevent accidents before they happen through advanced driver assistance technologies. One standout feature is its dooring prevention system, which warns occupants before opening a door into the path of an approaching cyclist. It is another example of how modern safety extends beyond protecting people during a crash by helping avoid collisions altogether. Crash protection was another area where the Zeekr 7GT impressed. It achieved a remarkable 93%, demonstrating strong protection for both adults and children during impact testing. The vehicle maintained excellent structural integrity while delivering consistent occupant protection across multiple crash scenarios. Following an accident, the Zeekr 7GT continued to perform at a high level. It earned 95% in post-crash safety thanks to systems that quickly isolate the high-voltage battery and provide reliable manual door releases when needed. These features help emergency responders and occupants safely exit the vehicle after a collision. The latest results make one thing clear. The Zeekr 7GT is not simply another new electric vehicle entering the market. It is a serious competitor that combines advanced technology with exceptional safety, proving that Chinese manufacturers are now capable of competing with the world's most established automotive brands on equal terms.